Hello, welcome to the Arrivas Lab. For those who haven't been in a science research lab before, this is what a lot of labs at the University of Iowa look like. So come on with me, I'll give you a little tour. So most labs in general are broken up into different benches. Mine's kind of messy right now because I'm a little scatterbrained. But here's where I do a lot of my science research. Most labs are equipped with a standard fume hood when we have to work with dangerous chemicals. And as you can see, we have a lot of freezers and refrigerators here. No food in these, but we store a lot of different chemicals. Kind of like how you need to keep your milk in the fridge, there are a lot of chemicals that also need to be refrigerated or frozen so that they can be good. We have more benches over here for multiple scientists that are working in the labs. And over here, you may notice that we have a microwave. Microwave ovens are actually a fantastic tool that biologists use for making different chemicals. One example that this one is mostly used for is making gels, where we can use the gels to study the size of DNA fragments. And since we work on the model organism Drosophila melanogaster here at the common fruit fly, this is our fly room. So in here we have a CO2 tank hooked up to these pads here. And so we can actually put the flies to sleep. We'll put these guys to sleep. And we can look at them underneath the microscope. Now this gas that is going in here, this is carbon dioxide. Flies are much more sensitive to it than we are, so it's what we breathe out, so it's safe for us to be having it in the room, but the flies, they go to sleep pretty quickly, and we can now study them. So there they are, kind of gross. And then I can look under the microscope to show you what these flies look like. And that's going to be really difficult to show on the camera, so that's that. Well, can you see them? Yeah. Okay. Come back to them later. And then the last thing, this is the microscope room. So we use a confocal microscope because we study very small pieces of tissue in the developing fly. These pieces of tissue are called imaginal discs. Here is one of them here. It's this blue object. This is the developing wing when it's actually inside of the maggot of the fly. And when this wing develops, it teaches us a lot of different things about how patterns form in the wing. As you can see, this nice little pattern forms here. That pattern's called Sonic Hedgehog, not named after the video game character. Wait, it is named after the video game. That pattern's called Sonic Hedgehog. It's named after the video game character because nerds rule the world. And we do a lot of our thinking. We also put up some of our posters that we present at different conferences to communicate with other scientists and with the community. So it's really important that scientists are able to not only generate data, but they also have to be able to share their data. So that's what some of these posters are here. And a lot of these are also explained, like I said, to children around campus when they come visit, and just to the general public on days and events called like FERF and SURF, which University of Iowa hosts every semester, where undergrads talk about their research.